OFM Sport.
Yeah, look, I think we have a relationship because we played together, but I've played with a lot of guys here as well. I think there are some guys, I don't know. I try to treat everybody the same. I treat Faf the same as what I treat Niels. If I feel something on the field, I like it. Take the radio, tell me what you feel. I'm not on the field. It's different when you're out there than when you're sitting up here. We see different stuff than what they feel out there. So I like that. If Niels wants to take the radio and tell me something, I'll tell him what I feel and we can get to a solution. It's good to get to solutions quickly. I think when we spoke, I think it did change a bit in the game. So I think he went to score just after that. So yeah, I don't have a problem with it. I love it. We're all equal. Like I said, we hard-working, normal people that comes in every day, try and work hard to try and achieve something great here.